Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google application and then click here, tap on the settings icon and tap to the voice section. Now just click to the voice match, and near the Hey Google, click once on the Google Assistant switcher. Now just click here to the next. Click yes, I agree, and Hey Google Assistant is activated right now. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.